almost day 10. Coding every day. Anyways, back to some more leetcode, as always. Do I have anything else to say? This has been getting a crazy amount of views for some reason. I don't know why. But hey, thanks for watching. It's fun for me to get all like the encouraging comments. Everyone's been so nice. Regardless. Let me turn off enable preview. Do I have anything else? I guess Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve to any of those who celebrate. That's about it. Okay. I was thinking I low-key might want to like go over all the like there's something else I found. Visualizing data structures. Yeah, it might be worth it for me to go over this because yesterday I had this problem. Like one of the days I had I did not know like a cycle finding algorithm, which was like the thing that I was just blatantly missing. In terms of just like how to solve a problem, like you needed this and I didn't know it. And also like I don't think in terms of heaps. I don't know if that makes sense. Like when I think of a problem, I think of something like a very basic intuitive way of thinking. I don't like this is not in my intuition. I know of these things. Do I know exactly what a Fenwick tree is? No. But I know of like the basic binary search trees and stuff like that, but I just don't think about it in terms of that, if that makes sense. But I think I'm just at the beginning stage. I should just kind of keep doing problems, and then I'm gonna keep taking notes on like what I need, you know. Go from there. So what do I want to do today? Maybe we do, I don't know. Let's do a 2-pointer. Container with most water. I've heard of that one before. Linked list. Why not? Let's do move nth node from end of list. Do a bit manipulation one. Missing number. Let's actually start with that one because that one kind of sounds fun. I love these bit ones because before I went for full computer science, I was computer engineering. I really liked those classes. Like working with bits and assembly and stuff. Okay, anyways. Given an array nums containing n integers without any duplicates, return the single number in the range that is missing. So we're just XORing things, right? At least that's what my first intuition is. Because this XOR this would go to 0, so that'd be right. And then 0 XOR this. Oh no, so that's wrong. So it's not XOR. I feel like with bit problems, it's like almost always XOR. What would it be? Oh wait. Wait, no, because 2 XOR 0 is 0. I mean, it's 2. Right? Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. So what's the operation here? What is the operation? Or is there something you like should sum to by the end of it? Like if it goes up to n, containing n integers in the range, Huh. I'm trying to think. Because if you... Dude, oh my god, 2 is this. It is XOR. Hello? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I'm pretty sure it's just a running XOR. Okay. Accumulator equals this. Did you do XOR again? I'm pretty sure it's actually. I'm pretty sure it's this. So we'll try that. The starting with 0 makes sense. Yeah, I think so. I've been watching your channel for the past 3 days, and I must say you can create some amazing content. You're too kind. I appreciate that. I'm so sorry. I have to read off an iPad because I am on a very scuffed setup here. My laptop is literally just on my floor. Oh, wait. Okay. No, I am wrong. I think I was thinking of like how to get it to 0. So, so this is the first string. So the result of that would be 0. But then here's the second one is, so the resulting is, the end of the accumulation is this. Oh no, that doesn't help me. What am I doing? I keep thinking of like, I'm like doing different things at once. I guess my brain is just not really working right now. Because this should be so easy. I swear, I've fallen off on these bit problems so much. Is it something like you need to add them all? Like get the sum of the array? That's stupid. So like the sum of the array for this would be the sum for the first one would be 6. So what is that? That's a 4 and a 2. But then if you were to no, that's a stupid idea. Oh yeah, I think I'll maybe come back to this one. Because my brain's not working. You were given an integer heights. Oh god, dude, I've seen this problem so often and I should instantly know how to do this. Do 954. What is that? Array of doubled pairs. Oh, what? I might do it a 5th time. I'm probably just going to stick with these random 3 that I picked. Because I'm trying to just do all the ones in the blind 75. Unless it's in that and I didn't know about it. But yeah. Reminder, I am a very beginner at these problems. Well, I have been like, I can do projects. I cannot do these fuck-ass problems very well. And this is also going to piss me off if I can't figure this out. Surely there's something that I'm just like missing. To do this in a single path. I also should be working on like whiteboarding and like talking through my thought process. But at this point, like if I can't even get the right solution, is it even worth the whiteboard? I don't really know. Because it wants one extra space. Because obviously the other thing to do is like you build a set or like a hash set or something, and then you just say like if it's not in it, then we return that. Yeah, that is the one. That is XOR. And I thought about using that, but I can't find a way to use it. Because it's not like you can just run an accumulator. Because it's like in this problem, like you would have 0, 0, and then 1, 0. Maybe it's like, So like since the range is 2, I keep going back to this like maybe it's a sum thing, but I just don't think that's right. Like since there are two, since there are 3 numbers, the thing should be 0. I don't know. God, I suck at these problems. It's so embarrassing that like people are watching this channel now because I'm so bad at these. Whatever. You're given an integer array heights. Yeah, see, like instantly know. I know this is a 2-pointer, and I've seen this probably 10 times in previous things, and I've done it before, but the way I used to do leetcode, besides like literally these past week and a half where I've done like this coding every day thing, is I'll do a random problem, I'll pick a random problem on leetcode, and then I just will not do anything. I'll finish it, and then I'll go like 2 weeks without doing another problem, be like, I did a leetcode a while ago. But I'm figuring out that that's not a good way to do this. Okay, so I want a 2-pointer, then it's something like this. Pretty sure. And then do you keep track of like max L and max R? Like that feels intuitive. Is to keep track of max L and max R. Because how would I think about this? Is maybe we start like we hold them on the ends. Do I need like I should like whiteboard. Ignore. Create new. Alright, can we see this on the stream? I should probably open it up. Can we achieve some result by working with its size instead and missing number problem? Can we? Do you mean the size of the array? Because if it's the size of the array, or do you mean size of the range? I guess it's about the same thing, really. I guess you could do some pre-processing by having an accumulator stack as the XOR of the nums in 1 to n, and it slowly cancels out as you iterate through the input. Okay, yeah, like my original thing was I did this. But this doesn't work because like you can pretty much see that in this example, like in example 2, because it has this, because it works for example 1. but for this it would result in 1, 0. So we need to figure out how to like not have it go to 0. That's why I was thinking of like maybe it has to add to the sum, but I think that's unique to this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's unique to this. I don't really know. Anyways, whiteboarding. Yes, that's what we were doing. So we have this type of thing. So how would I do it? So it's short, big, medium. Sorry for flip-flopping back and forth. Also, this is horrible, but whatever. Here. And then here. And we care about, obviously, the max water, because it's the distance between them multiplied by the height that it can do. Right, it is we do care about the distance between them, because then you would choose like these two. Bum, bum, bum. Then we probably want to keep track of like a max water. I guess we could probably do that float negative infinite. Something like that. And then iterate through them. But when do we figure out when to move left and which one to move right? This is the thing I'm trying to think about. I was just been so bad. I've been streaming for like 17 minutes. I don't know problem. So like in this, if we first, so our first gather would be at every step we like need to take, one is the difference between L and R. And then we would like have to take the minimum of the two multiplied by the distance and then take that in the max water. And then I guess it's okay, so you take the minimum one. Like in our first case, we have like, this is our L, and then this is our R. This is so hard to do without a mouse. And then we take the minimum of that, find the amount of water in it, and then whichever one was the minimum, we then iterate that one. Either like the left moves right or the right moves left. And I think we don't need to store a max L or a max R because we just want the output. Does that work? So then we would have it here, and it'd be here and here. So then our water would be here. And then since this is bigger, we would then iterate into here, and R would now be here. So L would be here, but now R would be here. And then we check this. And then we would move it again. And we just keep moving R because this is the highest peak. That might work. I don't know if it's the exact right thing, but whatever. Okay, so we can just take max water equals the max of heights at L. I guess probably need to take equals heights at L. That's the minimum of this. And then we would multiply that by the distance between them. So multiply by R minus L to get like the width. So then this gets us like what height can we get? And then this is like what width can we get? And it should be R minus L, which means always absolute value. Yeah. And then we take the max of current max water. And then if, I guess we should do like water left, something like that. I messed that up. Water left is greater than water right, which just means like if this column is bigger than this column, then we want to move water right in. So r minus equals 1. Else we're going to move left plus equals 1. And we're going to return max water. Dude. I'm very pleased with that, actually. I looked at nothing, wrote the whole thing out. Granted, this is probably the easiest medium in like all of LeetCode. But like, still did it. Did I do it optimally? I did. Let's go, baby. That feels good. Yeah, what question is this? Most water LeetCode. What number is this? 11. Complete notes. Got done solution by myself. Whiteboarded. Give it a little smiley face. Okay. I really want to do this missing number one because it's kind of annoying me right now that I haven't figured it out. Because I know it's a bit problem, but I'm trying to figure out like how is it a bit problem? Because I know it is, but I can't see the bits. Like I can't see what, like if I have to mask it or something. Also, are my headphones working? I feel like I have no way of testing. And I listened back to one of my streams. I like sounded like ass, but whatever. As long as it's somewhat a verbal. I guess should I whiteboard it? I should whiteboard it. Sounds fine. I appreciate it. Thank you. Because on this really scuffed setup, I kind of have no way of knowing. Okay. File, edit. Really? There's no like remove all? Alright, we're just gonna move to a different spot then. Stupid. That is kind of stupid. Don't save. I have no clue how to fix